We have really enjoyed, not just the work product of Sikich, but the teammates. Like, everybody's really kind and understanding and have been great teachers. I went into this role having zero knowledge of databases. I'm not joking, like zero knowledge of JavaScript, like nothing. And the team has really not only delivered the service we need, but they've armed me and my teammate with knowledge and education on how to actually customize things going forward so we can do some of the, like, they're teaching us to fish, which has been really rewarding and fun, and we've gotten to know the teammates really well, and yeah, it's been a great experience. The way we connected with Sikich initially was through our procurement process, which is, we have to find quotes, you have to get a variety of input and do enough research from the different competitors in delivering the similar services. And so we found the EDO Accelerator through a Google search, and then we reached out and they did a demo for us, and we were like, oh my gosh, this is perfect because it's through the lens of economic development. A lot of the other CRMs are focused on sales, or maybe it's like nonprofit donor fundraising type situation, and we're neither. We're really trying to provide municipal services, and all of that means that we're trying to create an economy where everyone thrives. So having the EDO Accelerator focused in on economic development, we recognized ourselves in it, I guess. And so the demo was great, an eye-opener, and we just didn't stop. We just kept going. The original implementation, so we moved into D365 originally in 2018. And that was before the pandemic, obviously. And we had the team come out to Austin. They visited us, like a real in-person visit, which seems so rare these days. But they came out and provided a 2-day training for us, really hands-on. Tiffany is who helped us out, and Tiffany provided like real-time customizations for us. She's like, oh, well then let's do it like this. And she would design it right there on the spot. And so it was fun, and we realized how flexible D365 and customizable it can be. And that really helped go a long way with the adoption of it with that team that we initially piloted with. But since the pandemic, the team was so accessible to us, so I would email, we would text, and then once the pandemic started, we were doing Teams and screen shares. And so it's really been, I would say, pretty seamless in terms of adjusting to the pandemic world, working with the Sikich team. I haven't had any problems reaching out and getting what we need. So yeah, they've been great. The Sikich team really gets what we're doing. I think they're regularly surprised at the complexity of what we have to do. But yeah, it's great though, because we'll go in with an idea of how we think we would solve this particular pickle that we're trying to solve. And our teammates, Sean in this example, would say, well, I see what you're trying to do. What if we did it like this? And it's so much easier and like more clear in terms of like data architecture versus this convoluted, kind of patchwork idea that we came up with. So I think the Sikich team has been great in terms of creativity. So they get what we're doing. They understand what the problem is, and they deliver a solution or recommend a solution that is the most seamless, but is creative because it's not one that we came up with. So I think that they've really done a great job using their knowledge and their many, many years of experience, creating a positive solution for us. And it's nice that we don't have to do R&D in-house. Like, as I mentioned earlier, like I don't have the JavaScript programming, coding, I don't have any of that expertise, and it's great that the City of Austin doesn't have to retain someone on staff who knows that information, that we can rely on the research and development of Sikich to come up with these creative solutions. All we have to do is articulate what the problem is and what we need, and the Sikich team delivers. So, and they teach us how to do it along the way, which is great. The biggest benefit of working with Sikich is that you have all of the knowledge and the many, many years of experience and a variety of clients you've worked with that provide all kinds of services. And when you hear what our need is, the problem we're trying to solve, the Sikich team is able to draw upon those different experiences and that knowledge base to create a solution for us. Because we only know, we've got our blinders on a little bit, and the Sikich team has seen a lot. in terms of what's possible. And so definitely the biggest value is that you know what's possible, you work hard, you're creative, and you're sure nice people to work with.